Welcome back to Ellias Academy, day 61, and today we're going to be talking about triangle proofs, particularly side-side-side and side-angle-side proofs. That'll be the focus for today. So for each of these videos on this left-hand side here, you're going to have some like good information. Kind of stuff you should be looking out for, like a method, a strategy, and I'm going to reference it. These are the things that are going on in my head when I solve or when I approach a proof. This is always like my flow and things that I'm looking for. So I thought it'd be helpful to kind of visualize that on the right side of the screen, and I'll be referencing it. All right, so when you're solving a triangle congruence proof, you always want to start by putting the given information into the diagram and then figure out like which of those postulates are you going to use in order to solve this proof. So here I'm going to start with this given right here. It says that side AB is congruent to side CD. Boom. So I put that in. Now I'm going to keep on going with my givens. It says that side BC, this one right here, is congruent to side AD. And that's it for the givens. That's all I got. So now I'm in like my next spot. You know, I'm like trying to keep an eye out. There's no more givens to go off of, and I'm keeping an eye out for any of these setups. I don't see vertical angles, but I do see that I can use the reflexive property. I see that there's this side here, BD, right? That side BD is in both of my triangles, triangle ABD, that one there, and triangle CDB, this triangle there. This side is going to be my third fact. It's the side I can use in both. That's going to be reflexive. All right, so now I've got, 3 side facts. I know that this is going to be a side-side-side proof. And now I'm ready to write my proof. I've figured it out. Now I'm ready to make my statements. And we always start with the givens. So I'm going to list out my givens. I'm just going to copy over what I see. Segment AB is congruent to segment CD. How did I know that? Well, that was given to me. 2, I'm going to keep track, that's a side fact. BC is congruent to AD. How did I know that? Well, that was a given. And that's my second side fact. And then the third thing I figured out, I brought this to the table, is that side BD is congruent to itself. And how do I know that? You could write a long essay, but we can just say that's the reflexive property. And that's my last side fact. I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm now ready to state what they asked me to prove. I'm ready to say 4, and I'm just going to copy what they're asking. Triangle A, B, D is congruent to triangle C, D, B. And the symbols are very important. You have to have the symbols. Otherwise, they don't know if you're talking about a line, a side, an angle, or a triangle. So you have to tell them these are triangles that we're proving. And how do I know those triangles are congruent? Well, that's the side-side-side postulate. And that's this first proof taken care of. I'll see you in the next one.